So you own a cleaning business and you're looking to find more clients with realtors. Here are some tips. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share, comment, love this video so the algorithm can push it out and I can help more people. When I first started my cleaning business almost 10 years ago, I literally just went on Facebook and typed in realtors in my area. And whatever real estate agency popped up, I Facebook messaged them. I said, hi, I'm Kathy. I own a cleaning business. I'm just reaching out to see if you have any homes that need to be cleaned. Like any job in the service industry, us as the service provider, we're here to make our clients' lives easier. If you can reach out to realtors instead of wanting them to find you, it would be easier because that way you're making their life easier. They have their clients and customers to worry about and their businesses to run. They may not be thinking about, let me look for a cleaning business to network with. Take that extra job away from your client and reach out to them first. Like any type of client, you want to make their life a little bit easier by offering your service. So reach out to the realtors first. There was a management company that was having like a realtor event. It was like a free 1 or 2 hour event where they just talked about the housing market, and it was where realtors networked and connected with other realtors. And I asked if I can join, and they said, sure. I had made some business cards on Vistaprint. I walked in, I just told realtors I own a cleaning business. I passed out my business card. To this day, I'm still friends with some of the realtors that I met there. After I met them, a few of them gave me cleaning jobs for move-ins, move-outs. A couple cleaning jobs were some foreclosure cleanings. They gave me really great reviews. I took some really great before and after pictures, and it just helped me build my cleaning business. So if you're looking for more cleaning jobs with realtors, just Google realtors in your area. Go on Facebook, look for realtors. If you're on any kind of mom or dad group on Facebook, you know how people are always asking about, is there a realtor? I want to sell my home. Or is there a realtor? I want to buy a home. Whoever comments, message them. The biggest thing with running a business is you have to get out there. You have to get out there, whether it's in person or message. Get out there and network with real estate agents or management companies. Give out your business cards, connect with them, maybe make some flyers, give them your information, sell yourself, and sell your business. A very, very, very important thing to remember with any type of client is to have your terms and conditions hyped up so that you can give it to the realtor or to the client of the realtor. Because that cleaning that you're doing for the realtor, you may be getting paid by the client of the realtor, like the person buying or selling the home. The realtor may not be the one paying you, it's someone else paying you. So make sure you communicate through text or email. You have your terms and conditions typed up. You are aware of how you're going to get paid, how long it's going to take. They know what you're going to charge. Have very open communication and dialogue and have it all in writing so there's no miscommunication. Head over to my Etsy site. I have my terms and conditions where you can download them and edit them to suit your needs. You put your business name, you put whatever other information you want, but I have my lengthy, in-depth terms and conditions already typed up that you can grab. Hope those tips help. Don't forget to follow along for more cleaning tips and business tips from Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.